What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing something super simple onto the truck. So if you guys do have a Prinsu roof rack or any type of roof rack that you can add bolts onto it, this is going to be the video for you. Basically, what we're going to be installing today is going to be some grab handles right here and right here as well. It's going to be awesome because that way, whenever you do have something on top of your roof rack, you can go ahead and just kind of ease yourself by grabbing on. So it's going to be a super simple install. And another cool thing, if you guys do end up wanting to purchase these, they're going to be in the description box below. I do have a discount code for you guys, and we're also going to be doing a giveaway as well. There's going to be 2 lucky winners on these bad boys right here. So let's go ahead and now get into the video, and I'll show you exactly how it's done and how it looks. Let's do it. Shout out to Bubba's Garage on this one right here, and to BESTOP. Damn, it's working out flawlessly for the vlog. Check it out, you guys. Damn. All right, you guys, so before we get into today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, I did make some shirts. So if you guys do want to go ahead and support the channel, they're going to be 16 bucks, which is pretty affordable. There's going to be a logo right here and a logo right in the back. If you guys do end up wanting one, make sure to email me. My email is always in the description box below. Let me know you want one, and we'll go ahead and send you one out. So now let's go ahead and get back to this and install the part. The grab handles that are going to be for the Prinsu roof rack are right here. As you can tell, they do make them in different colors. So that's the cool thing about Bubba's Garage TV. If you want to check them out on Instagram or their website, it's going to be in the description box below. Once we get to the end of the video, I'll go ahead and let you guys know how you guys can win a pair of these. As I stated, there's going to be 2 winners. All you're really going to need is just an 11mm socket and some time. It's going to be that easy. So basically, these are going to go right here, one there and one there. That way you have grab handles for your actual Prinsu roof rack. And remember, there is going to be 2 lucky winners, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. That way you guys can win a set of these. The cool thing about this company is they do make them in different colors. As you can tell, for me, I did get them in gray and black. The reason I did that is because 1, my truck is gray, and 2, you guys already know, on my actual headrest inside the truck, I already have a set of these bad boys, which it's from the same company. So if you guys do want one, check out the description box below. I'd highly recommend them. So it's going to be this easy. So you're going to notice when you first get your grab handles out of the package, if you did get the one for the pair, which that's what I did, I have one for up front right here and one for the back right here, which is you know, for the passengers. So you're going to get them. They're going to come already kind of pre-assembled. So you're going to notice there is a nut right here, and there's going to be 2 big washers and 1 little washer in the back. So you always want to make sure that little washer is in the back towards the ring. So as you can tell over here, I already took off the nut and I took off one of the big washers. All that's left is the little washer in there and now the big washer. So we're going to move on to where I'm going to set it. So now you kind of want to just go ahead and look at it, see where you want to place it. I'm going to place mine right about here, and then get your big washer on the opposite side. You get your nut, and you go ahead and just screw it in. As I told you guys, it's super simple install. There's really no need for the video, but I want to go ahead and show you guys how cool this product really is. We'll go ahead and tie that down right now, and then let me do the opposite side. Same thing. So I'm going to take off the nut, take off one of the big washers. I'm going to go ahead and insert it into the hole. And then I'm going to put the washer and the nut. I'm satisfied. I can go ahead and now just screw it down. It's nice and secure. Now you have your grab handle. You can go ahead and hold on. As you can tell, this thing ain't going nowhere. The grab handles that I have in my headrest, I've had those probably for about 2 to 3 years now, and the quality on them is still the same. So I'm going to trust on these bad boys. So there you go. Nice and tight. Let's go ahead and now do the front one. All right, so there you go. And the cool thing about these, you can kind of adjust them kind of where you want. So this one, I literally could have put it over here, had the handle a little bit more stretched out, but I am short. So when I'm on the floor, I do kind of want this dangling a little bit more so I can go ahead and grab on. Let me go ahead and give you guys an example. So I'm gonna leave this up here and I'm gonna use this bad boy to go ahead and grab it. Let's get down. So now we're done with the quick 1-minute installation. As you can tell, they are right here. And as I stated, you could go ahead and extend them. Mine, I left them like this because I am short. So if you really wanted to, you could go ahead and put this one maybe on this side, and then the handle would be a little bit more stretched out and won't dangle. I like it like that. I'm cool with it. But let me go ahead and show you. Right now, I do have my tool up there. And the cool thing about this, now I could go ahead and grab on, pull myself up, grab the tool, bring myself down while still holding on with a lot of leverage, and that's it. So I hope you guys do like that. If you want your own set, check it out. They're super affordable, and as I stated, I do have a 15% off discount code for you guys, so check it out. And don't forget, if you guys do end up wanting to purchase one of these shirts, go ahead and email me. It's in the description box below. Let's go ahead and now let you guys know how you guys can win a set of these bad boys. Let's do it. So if you guys do want to win a pair, it's going to be either in all black or it's going to be in black and red. So these are the two sets that I have left over. So that means there's going to be 2 lucky winners. So basically what you're going to have to do, it's going to be super simple, nothing too hard. So the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is, of course, like this video. The second thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. And then the third thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure you go follow Bubba's Garage TV on Instagram. It's going to be that simple. Make sure you go ahead and screenshot all that, because when we do announce the winner in about 2 weeks, I'm going to go ahead and ask you guys for that. So go ahead and good luck, and comment down below what you guys thought about it. If you guys want to win a set, or if you guys are just going to go ahead and purchase it, let me know. I'm curious. Once again, if you do want one of these shirts, which the logo is right here in the front, let me go ahead and go close up. So as you can tell, it has my truck in there. It says Off-Road Adventures and then my YouTube. And same thing for the back. It's going to say the same exact thing. So if you guys do want one, they are super comfy. And as I stated, they are affordable. You guys already know, most YouTubers probably charge a lot. I'm not charging you guys much. So if you guys can help me out with that, it'll help out the channel. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Shout out to Bubba's Garage on this one right here, and to BESTOP. Damn, it's working out flawlessly for the vlog. Check it out, you guys. Damn, different views. Thanks to the rock sliders right here from BESTOP. I can record off to the side. Woo! It's like a workout. Trying to hang on. Oh yeah, that 4 low. Oh shit. Oh shit. To the left, to the left, to the left. To the right. Don't go too fast because you're in 4 low.